Do you have a computer? Then you have to download Honey. Hi, I'm Anthony, a real Honey user with a real computer. With Honey, I save thousands of cents each month. For example, I just bought a brand new house and saved $700. The house cost $30 million, so I am in debt and had to sell my soul to Scientology. But at least I have marble counters and can pretend I'm a wealthy YouTuber making an apology video. Now let's hear from a celebrity who's a real Honey user. Hi, I'm Jojo Siwa. You may recognize me from Dance Moms, Nickelodeon, or the side of my Tesla. And with Honey, I was able to afford this small neighborhood in Idaho. Honey takes just 2 clicks to install. No, that's nothing. Download Honey. Download Honey. Download Honey. No, was that good? I just feel like he'd say it in B. Guys, I don't know. I just don't want to be any way culturally insensitive towards flying bugs. Guys, like even the name Honey, a little, I don't know. Like how we asked a colony of bees if that's alright with them, or even Winnie. I just don't want them to sue. Maybe we can think of another name. Download Serum.